We want to look at multiplying a monomial with one term by a polynomial of many terms. We're going to need to use the distributive property. The distributive property is going to be used a lot in Math 99, Math 103, and any other math courses you might take. So you'll want to practice enough that you feel familiar with it. The distributive property says when we have a sum or a difference, that is addition or subtraction inside the brackets, and we can't simplify any further to make it one term, we have to distribute the term outside the brackets with every term inside the brackets. So we have A times B plus A times C. Let's look at some basic examples to start. We have 3x outside the brackets, and we're multiplying it by 2x plus 5 inside the brackets. I'm going to ignore that equal sign. So remember, first of all, we have 3x times 2x. Now this is a positive 3x, and it's multiplying now a positive 5. I don't need to write a plus 5. We know that means positive. You don't need to write this step, but I want to be clear about what's happening. You know how to multiply a monomial times a monomial now. You multiply the integers, you multiply the powers with the same base, add the exponent. You multiply the integers, we have no other powers with the same base. We cannot simplify this any further. These are not like terms. If you were tempted to add, you need to go back and do some practice adding and subtracting. Let's try the next one. So first of all, we have negative 8a multiplying 3a squared. And then we have negative 8a multiplying negative 2ab. It's these minus signs that make things tricky for people. So let's be careful here. We're going to start by multiplying our integers. Negative 8 times 3. Then we multiply our powers with the same base. Keep the base, add the exponent. Now we're multiplying our integers again. Negative 8 times negative 2. Positive 16. Multiply our powers with the same base. We have a times a. Add the exponents. There's only one b. Pause your video. Try this one. Now I said you didn't have to multiply this step, or sorry, write this step out. And if you end up with the right answer here, that is true. If you end up with the wrong answer, you should write out this step. Let's see what we get here. Negative 4 times 7, negative 28. B squared times b squared, add the exponents. Negative 4 times negative 5, plus 20. Multiply the powers, add the exponents. Negative 4 times 2, negative 8, b squared. Did you get there? That was multiplying a monomial by a trinomial. Good job. I think we will leave binomial times polynomial multiplication for the next lecture.